Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cute shoe hack and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to show you the items you need to wear. Okay, you can wear this item from Moka set, and then this one from the code item, and also this boot. Okay, you can grab this boot here. Okay, and let's color it. You can color the shoe according to your style, and I'm going to color it purple because my outfit is purple. Okay, for the first one, let's start with this item. I'm going to color it white, and then for this boot I'm going to make it white as well. Okay, just like this. And for the bow, I'm going to color it purple, just like my outfit. I'm going to make it match. All right, and let's move to the shoe from Madoka set. I'm going to color it purple as well, like this. I'm going to make them purple. Okay guys, and now it's done, and this is the final result. Oops, wait. Okay, that's so cute, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cute shoe hack and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.